filming? Okay, it's filming. Let's see what's up in that bird nest. Let's see what's up in that bird nest, because we got a caterpillar cocoon right there. We got another caterpillar cocoon over on this side. Where'd he go? Somewhere over here. So let's see. We're just going to hold the camera up so that we can let you see, since you're a little bit too short. Those branches are pretty in the way. Okay. Alright, mommy up on the ladder. No, don't push on it. I want to see what it was made of. What the little birdies used to construct. I don't know what I'm shooting. I'm just kind of putting the camera up here. Hope we can get a good shot of something. You can see that there's no eggs. It's made its nest out of a whole bunch of twigs, some hair, dog fur, somebody's fur. I don't even know what I'm filming. I'm just putting it up. Hopefully we're getting a good shot. We'll have to check it out here in a minute. Okay. Let's take a peek. Just while we're out here, I see a carrot in the moss rose. We have a carrot in the moss rose right here. But I'm filming. It's hard to film in this little greenhouse. Carrot in the moss rose. Right there. We gotta dig it out so it doesn't get pulled.